Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to sign out of Gmail on iPhone and Android. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Gmail app on our device. I'm logged into my Gmail account. Now I want to log out from the specific account, so what I have to do is to tap on my profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. The next step is to click on the little button called Manage Accounts on this device right here. A menu will pop up that looks like this, and in order to sign out or log out from a specific Gmail account, simply choose the account which you want to log out if you have more than one account logged in. Now tap on the Remove from this device button below it. Now keep in mind that you will only remove the account from the Gmail app, but from all Google apps on your device like YouTube and other if you are sure that you want to remove the account from this device. Then tap on the Remove button and you will be logged out on iPhone or Android, and it will automatically open the emails from other Google accounts if you have them on your phone. That's essentially how you can sign out from the Gmail app on your mobile device. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.